Myself Shailaja, associated with Youth World Consulting for the past 10 years. Youth World Consulting is into overseas education for the past 10 years. And for the first time, Youth World Consulting is organizing a fair called the Youth World Fair 2011, which is focusing on all different types of courses which are useful from 3-year student to any age. The Youth World Consulting, this fair focuses on various courses apart from the traditional courses like engineering and medicine. We are focusing on different other courses which can be made into a career like nanotechnology, bioinformatics, clinical research and etc. And this fair is useful from 3 years child to any age. The entry is for this fair is free and anybody can participate in this fair. And this fair is coming up on Nizam grounds on 5th and 6th February 2011. We want this fair to be a grand success. This fair will be benefited both for the participants and also for the exhibitors also. Like exhibitors has a benefit of expressing their various courses to the wide public, 100% target group. And the students or the parents who come there have a wide range of information on various other courses which are available, which their children can take up. So both the ways exhibitors and the participants can benefit by this fair. Nearly 110 stalls are coming up at Nizam grounds on 5th and 6th, which will be focusing not only on education but apart from education, we are focusing on other extracurricular activities also, like courses on cricket, tennis, table tennis and other things, DJ, RJ, modeling, etc. So you will have information, everything, all about education and beyond education from this fair. Like I have been to various fairs these days. I think you will be seeing the fair day and day out today. But they are focusing on only a specific thing, like on the engineering colleges or education or as children's play school, and only they are focusing only on one area. So we thought of putting everything about education all under one roof. For the past, we are charging per stall. So there's a fee for the stall for the exhibitors. We are charging around 50,000 rupees per the stall. Like if we are going for the education, everybody is getting graduated in a year and out. But we are focusing right now on the way they present, the presentation skills, the soft skills which are useful for them to make up a career. This fair is for 2 days. So apart from the stalls, we are planning for, like we have got a dais where we'll be having a huge talk on various various topics by different renowned people who will be giving advices on the various education and the scope in future. It's on 5th and 6th February 2011, morning 10:30 to evening 7 o'clock. It's falling on Saturday and Sunday. Like you have to I think you can contact us directly. Like we are giving it an online publicity and papers, and also you can just contact us directly. You can contact us at our office address is Paradise. It's in flat number 365 Chandralok Complex, Paradise, and on the 6th floor. Anytime morning 10 to 4 you can contact us, or you can contact us on telephone numbers 98850 or 988585544. www.youthworldinfo.com.